Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me today. And for today, we're gonna do another unboxing, and we're gonna unbox this vintage. I call this vintage because this model kit was released in 2000, so that's 20 years ago from the time of this video, and it was released in March 2000 to be exact. And we're gonna unbox this model kit, and it's the MSM-03 Gogg. So looking at the cover art, you can see the image of the Gogg here, as well as an action photo of the Gogg there. And I really like the design of the mobile suit from Xeon because of their trademark mono eye and the menacing look overall. So looking at this Gogg, you can see the claws are terrifying, and it just shows how menacing the design are. So this Gogg is the predecessor for the famous Gogg, which is the MSM-07 if I'm not mistaken. So that's your cover art for this box. Looking at the side, you can see the front view as well as the rear view of the model kit. And there's a short description regarding the model kit or the mobile suit here. But because this box is a little older, it's written in Japanese. So any one of you guys could read Japanese, let me know what this description is and just hit it in the comment. Beside that, you can see the model name and a short description about the model and the high grade logo, as well as the specs of the model kit or the mobile suit to be exact. Then on the other side, it's actually a little unusual because all you can see here is the high grade logo and the series number for the model kit and the name. So usually we see a artwork here similar to the cover art, but for this one it's just the name and the logo. And on the other side, you can see some image of the Gogg with their gimmicks and some parts, as well as another description here, which I think it's a description explaining how to do the gimmicks or some short description regarding the parts. But if you can read Japanese, let me know what does this means or what is written in here. So hit that in the comment. And the other side, it's the usual legal stuff. So you can see the plastic stuff there. And that's it. You have the choking hazard here. And the other side, it's still similar to the other side. It's just the name, the logo, and some short stats in there. So let's see what's inside the box. Even though this is older, it's like a time machine. We're gonna see what the model kit looks like before. So for this one, we only have 2 bags. So that's the first bag. And then this is the second bag or last bag. And then we have the manual. So we're gonna look this manual in depth in a little bit. And that's what's the content of the model kit box. So let's check the manual. So looking at the manual, it's pretty straightforward. You can see this is the Gogg. You can see the actual picture of the Gogg. Some short specs in there. Then opening it, you can see some short description. The artwork here is actually amazing based on the time that it was released. This is actually cool, and there are some description in there. Please let me know if you can read Japanese again. Let me know what's the things written in here, and if you can lead me to a translation of this manual, please let me know in the comments. And then you can see a image here as well as a line art. Probably it looks like a schematics here or a blueprint, but it looks amazing. Hopefully we could see something similar from the modern model kits. It's not the usual artwork and then description, and then go straight directly to the runner list or the instruction. So this is the runner list. We have 4 runners and a PC parts. And then opening it, you can see a straightforward instruction. So this is pretty basic. This hands here looks like the Gogg hands too, so it's pretty much similar. The build in it pretty much are identical. So that's your building instruction. And then you have some photos here of the built model kit as well as the color guide. I'm still gonna do a close-up of this color guide even though it's in Japanese. That's your color guide to be more exact with the colors. Let's take a closer look on the runners. So this is A1 runner. As you can see, it has 3 colors. So this is the lighter blue-gray color. This is the brown maroon color and the darker gray color. One thing that I noticed with this older kit is that the runner name is actually written in the plastic and it's not punched out as a stencil. So this is the A1 runner. Next we have the A2 runner. So A2 runner also has 3 color. So you have the blue-gray or light blue-gray color there. You have the brown maroon color and then the red color. These are the missile on the chest or on the torso. So that's your A2 runner. Next is the B runner. So the B runner consists of the armors on the legs, the shoulder, and the torso, and it's in the beige greenish color. So that's your B runner. And lastly, for the runners, we have the C runner, and this is in the same color as the B runner. So you have the claws in there. This is the head, which is probably need a color correction. So we have a color correction stickers in there. And these are the joints for the limbs, just like what we have for the Gogg. So these are in beige color. So that's your C runner. We have the PC parts or polycaps. So you only have a few polycaps here, and it's pretty much standard polycaps in a gray color. So that's your PC or polycaps. Lastly, we have the foil stickers. You only have 2 foil stickers here. You have the mono eye and the color correction sticker for the head or inside the visor. And that's your foil stickers. And that's the unboxing of the MSM-03 Gogg. This is one of the oldest kit that I have, but looking at the runners, it's pretty straightforward. And I recommend this for beginners because of the number of parts that you need to do, and it has the polycaps as well as some joint parts in the runner C. And as you know me, I don't like stickers. I really love the number of stickers in here. We only have 2, though the other sticker is a color correction sticker. All in all, it's a great build with great color separation. Well, to take note that this model kit doesn't have a lot of colors to start with, but it's really good. So if you see this in your hobby shop, please don't hesitate to take it so that you will experience how this older model kit looks like and how this older model kit compared to modern model kits nowadays. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It keeps me motivated and it helps the channel to grow. So if you really like this, please share it to your friends. And again, thank you for watching.